Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I wanted to show you this brand new M24 MSB that we just got in. It's a beautiful new designed M series boat. This is the new Bennington. Has the blackout package with the black and the ocean blue accent. It's got the blackout rub rail all the way around. Notice the integrated lights in the front here, all new design. Come on back here. This actually is equipped with a nice 10-foot bimini top here with a swing back here in the back. It's got plenty of room on the back with a nice extended deck. Now, of course, with the extended deck, you get the lily pad ladder, which is a must. It's a great ladder to have out and getting up and out of the water much easier. It's powered with a MERCURY 200 V6. Got plenty of power for water sports or anything like that, or just cruising the lake. Come on inside, let me show you inside here. Up here in the bow of the boat, got plenty of storage underneath the seats, and you got plenty of room to lay out, get some sun up here. I love how the seats open up this way here. Everything is channeled, so everything drains out of the boat, so nothing gets wet inside here. You have phone chargers, you got cup holders. Notice too, if you come over here, you'll see the speakers are kind of hidden into the floor there of the seat. So it kind of just really comes together nice colors and looks nice with the all the new upholstery and the design. This boat has the raised helm as well with the new Vivid Dash. Like I said, it's got the 200 V6 MERCURY. Great running boat. It's got a Garmin, and all your switches and everything, stereo functions and everything are right here. With the swing back, you can actually put this seat back here or face forward here on the bench seat. As well as in the back here, you can put this in this position and lay out in the back with the family. It's great for anchoring out in the cove, getting some sun, and taking advantage of the nice extended deck back there. So if you have any more questions on this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville.